Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing this nice little box. It's Radeon RX 5700. It's OC certified, I don't know what that means. It has 8 GB of memory, supports PCI Express 4, which is quite nice. And it's built on the 7nm process with the RDNA Architecture from AMD. So this particular one is ASROCK Challenger D. So let's dig in. Here's the card. A bit of foam padding and just a leaflet, no CD or anything like that. Here's the back of the box. Metal backplate. Long-life dual fan design. Okay. Let's see the card itself. So here's the card. Plastic front. Big fans, 1, 2, 3, 4 heat pipes. As you can see, 4 heat pipes. The PCB is not full size, so it goes just to here. Some air can blow through these fins. The backplate, as said on the box, is metal. Let's see. Here we have 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI ports. Here's the PCI Express connector. The card is just 2 slots, a bit higher on this side. Nice. Okay guys, that's it for today. Bye.